Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful wig for Mimo Wigs. This is a Jon Renau wig and this is Selena. This color is chocolate cherry. It's a favorite color of mine and I haven't worn or tried chocolate cherry in a recent wig for a really long time. So I just was really excited to try it in this Selena wig. I do have chocolate cherry in a human hair wig that I absolutely love, but in human hair it's a lot more vibrant. It's not as brunette looking, and so in synthetic it's just a gorgeous rich brunette color with that like wine red. It's just lovely. I love this color. So the code for that is FS2V/31V, and like I said, this wig is Selena. S-E-L-E-N-A. Anyway, let's talk about chocolate cherry and then we'll move on to Selena. So chocolate cherry is black/brown violet, medium red/violet blended. So you have that blend. You have a blend of black/brown violet and red/violet blended. And then you have red/violet bold highlights. Did you get all that? I don't know if you got all that, but yeah, that's what you got going on. I love those bold highlights. I love the vibrant, the dimension. It's just a very dynamic color. This is actually part of their chocolate collection that they launched back in, I think it was like 2016. And I love the four colors in their chocolate collection. They're just all some of my favorites. When they launched the chocolate collection, I was only wearing brunettes. I hadn't dived into the world of blondes or anything at that point. And so I was so excited for the chocolate collection, including this here color. So I love Selena. It's just so trendy and fun. This is an edgy long bob, also known as a lob, L-O-B. I mean, you do have the bob look, but it's long, and that means, you know, it is longer than your shoulders. It goes below your shoulders. And what I see here too is that it's kind of tapered into like an A-line. You definitely have like this blunt cut going on, and it's very sleek. Because of that sleek, that blunt, that straight, it's very chic looking, very on trend. I love this style. If you want that straight mid-length lob look, you might want to check this one out. This features a lace front and a monofilament top, so you can part it every which way. You can make it even more edgy and do like the middle part. You can do what you wish with that monofilament part and that lace front. You can pull it away from the face. You can basically use that multi-directional parting ability and wear the hair as if it's your own. Let me show you guys a close-up of that lace front. There's a little bit of knotting that you can see, but it's, you know, not bad. And then you can part it every which way because of that mono top. Where are you parting? This is part of Jon Renau's Smart Lace collection, and this is an average size cap. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, and this fits me really well from ear to ear, from front to nape. It feels nice and secure and comfortable. The product weight for this Selena wig is 5.1 ounces. The texture for this wig is straight, as you can see, and the fibers are synthetic. So this is not heat friendly, this is not human, so you do want to be mindful of ovens, heat tools, and anything hot because you can melt this fiber. Let me do a full turnaround so you can see this beauty from all angles. Okay, let's take this off and show you guys the underside of the cap. Now, forgive me, I do have some adhesive stuck on the underside of the lace. You do not need adhesive. This is a ready to wear wig. It stays nice and secure, it's snug, and it doesn't require any type of adhesives. However, I do have a Jeep with the top off. I was scared to wear my wigs and have it blow off, so I was experimenting. It turns out I can wear my ready-to-wear wigs and they don't really go anywhere, but when I first started driving it, I was so scared, so I put adhesive on at the beginning, and so you do see some stuck on the front of that front lace line. So here's that individually hand-tied front lace. You can see the adhesive remnants up there. Just disregard that. And then you do have your monofilament top. This has all been individually hand-tied one by one. So it looks like natural hair growth, like it's growing out of your scalp. And then you do have open wefting for the remaining area of this cap. And look at that. You can see those pops of red when you look at those wefts up close. You have your velvet lined ear tabs and a small little velvety nape with the adjusters at the nape. Look at this gorgeous color up close. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can definitely see those colors when I pull it up close like that against the ring light. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Look at that. The reds, the violets, the browns, the blacks. Look at that. How could you not love that color? Chocolate cherry. Perfect name for that too. Black, brown, violet, medium red, violet blend with red, violet, bold highlights. Holy Toledo, how gorgeous is that color? That is so pretty. That captures those highlights so well right there. I love it. Okay, let's put this back on. Nice and smooth and sleek. I love this style. Very, very on trend and edgy. So cute. All right, let's talk about the lengths. The front, you have 15 inches. The sides, you have 12.5 inches. Your crown, you have 14.75 inches. And your nape on Selena, you have 7.75 inches. She has a long lob, L-O-B. I love this style. I love this color. This is a thumbs up for me, and you can get her at Mimo Wigs. You can get a discount on most wig brands. I think with Jon Renau, you do need a specific discount code because the discounts are on and off. But with a lot of other brands, you can use the code Amber's Amigos. Those codes and links will be down below. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful wig and this gorgeous color. Comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. And please like and subscribe if this was helpful. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you guys so much. I really do appreciate your guys' support and feedback. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.